So watch my moves. The first thing I'm gonna do is to bring this 2 down, push this towards the left, move this up, watch that. So then I'm gonna move this way. Now watch what I'm gonna do. Keep this around these positions, okay? Move this up to this position, push this in so this can go all the way up. So I'm gonna return this to the left now, go to the left, and the reason is so I can push this up, so I can return this 2 to the left, bring all this red down. Watch that. Now watch what happens. Move the greens to the right, move that up, and the key is just gonna pass. Okay, now watch it again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I have another video coming up about Hamster. Hamster is going to be launching on Binance, and in that video we're going to be predicting what could be the listing price of Hamster and how much it could make. Don't miss it. I'm uploading it next after this video. Let's go.